If you've been thinking about starting an online business but aren't sure where to begin, t-shirt design might be one of the easiest and most creative ways to step into e-commerce. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can create professional t-shirt designs in Canva and turn them into real products you can start selling this year. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to expand a side hustle, you'll be surprised by how simple and fun this process can be. Let's start with the foundation. Canva. Canva has become one of the most powerful design tools for creators because it combines simplicity with an enormous library of templates, graphics, fonts, and design effects. And the best part? You don't need the pro version to begin. The free plan already gives you everything necessary to create polished, print-ready t-shirt designs. Once you're on Canva's homepage, head to the search bar and type in t-shirt. While Canva doesn't highlight a dedicated t-shirt category on the front page, this search instantly opens up a wide range of customizable templates, from bold, professional concepts to minimalistic styles. You can pick a template that matches the vibe you want, or start with a blank canvas if you have a specific idea in mind. But what if you're stuck and not sure what to design? This is where inspiration platforms like Pinterest become incredibly helpful. Search for t-shirt designs there, and you'll see endless styles. Quirky quotes, simple icons, retro aesthetics, motivational lines, and more. Take note of the trends you like, then come back into Canva and begin shaping your own version. Once your design direction is clear, start customizing, add your text, try different fonts, and play with effects like splice, hollow, or glow to give your typography more character. If your design includes graphics, adjust the colors, spacing, and layout until everything feels balanced and eye-catching. Canva's drag and drop interface makes it easy to tweak things quickly, even if you've never designed anything before. Keep refining until your design looks polished and print ready. When you're satisfied with the final result, download it as a PNG file, which gives you the best clarity for printing. If the file includes a background you don't want on the shirt, remove it using any background remover before uploading to your e-commerce platform. Now, it's time to bring your design to life through a print-on-demand service. Platforms like Printful, Printify, Gelato, and Redbubble let you upload your artwork, apply it to real products, and connect those products directly to your online store. After uploading your PNG, select the t-shirt style you want: premium tees, classic fits, or eco-friendly options. Then choose color variations, sizes, and mockup styles to help your product stand out in your listings. Finish by adding your product title, description, sizing information, and price. You'll usually see a base price and then set your retail price on top of it, which determines your profit margin. After everything looks good, publish it, and your design is now live and ready for customers to buy, without you needing to stock inventory or handle shipping. Creating and selling t-shirts with Canva and print on demand is a surprisingly accessible business model, even if you're starting from scratch. With intuitive tools, endless inspiration, and automated fulfillment, you can turn your creativity into income faster than ever before. So go experiment, design boldly, and see what you can build. Your next bestseller might be just one Canva template away. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gives you the confidence to launch your own t-shirt brand. If you found this helpful, feel free to explore more design and e-commerce tips on the channel. Happy designing, and best of luck with your t-shirt business.